Hey, I'm Dr. Jeremy Brook. This is
Dr. Mike Isseks.
I'm not just the chiropractor at the Life Center Chiropractic, I'm also a patient. Dr. Mike is going to deliver a cervical adjustment. I'm going to turn off my left brain. Dr. Mike, why don't you take over, baby?
You got it.
I really wish I didn't call you baby on film, but he's my first cousin. Whoa, that was so amazing.
Agreed.
Oh, good Lord.
Glorious.
That's what we do at the Life Center Chiropractic. Your chiropractors are turned on, chiropractically speaking.
Have a great day.
I'm about to lose my mind. You've been gone for so long. I'm running